Well, hello! Welcome to the Intoxicated Flamingo. I am your host, Jen. So, for those of you that are new, episodes are when I go through and I do a craft. I have a drink while I do it. Sometimes it comes out okay, sometimes not so much. But this one is a shot. So, shot are for those of you who enjoy the burps. And again, it's just who I am. It's a part of me. A few of you have asked for a burping contest. That's probably not going to happen. Not anytime soon. Way down the road maybe, but not anytime soon. I throw in some little bits that I find funny, because when I edit these, when it is back-to-back burps, it makes me nauseous. I can't do it. So I throw in some things that I find humorous. So these are from, I start recording a little bit early before my episodes while I'm setting up, and that's what this is. Some of them are from the episodes, and then some are previous, or if I left the camera running and caught a few things there. I did want to share my little donut. Look at how adorable it looks. Like it's been glazed. This turned out adorable. I absolutely love this. And I didn't, the whole thing, you can probably see where some of it's still just the regular paint. And I left it that way. I mean, it looks like frosting or whatever dripping off the side there. I love this thing. It is adorable. And I want to make more. So, but yeah, it's just the glossy Mod Podge that I put over it. Now, real quick, okay, if you put this in storage somewhere and it's extremely hot, you know how glue is. It may reliquify and stick to whatever's next to it. So please be careful if you decide to go the Mod Podge route, because I mean, basically it's glue. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You know, this is sober Jen thinking. Okay. So, enjoy the next, I don't know, it's like, what, 3 minutes of belches. No! Shit. Oh boy. Oh! I'm an idiot. Anyways. Everything's just like, all the switches are lit and the lights are going like crazy, but nothing's really happening. So. I got a jar of beads, and guess what's inside it? Cinnamon. Anyway. That. Anywho. Ooh. You know. Okay. Carter? Hey. Carter. Hey. You're gonna help Carter? I don't think that you. Oh. Will you get down? Breathe on it. No! Stop. Just. Bubbles. God. All right. Everything before you is nut free. Well, with the exception of yours truly. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed. Next week, this is what I was planning on doing, but I did not realize when I bought this, I was kind of in a hurry. I saw something like, oh, yoink. This is a refill pack. It doesn't give me the loom that I need, so I'm going to have to go hunting for a loom, or I will find something different to do next week. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. You guys have a great weekend. Have a good week next week, and I'll see you next week.